Hello guys! So try nating sagutan itong ating 2 questions for our CSE review for today. So ang review natin for today is all about comparing fractions. So paano ba tayo nagko-compare ng fraction? Okay, so ang tatandaan nyo lang in comparing fraction is magko-cross multiply lang tayo. Okay, so paano ba yon? So let's write muna 5 over 8 and then 3 over 5. So pag cross multiplication, so from the word itself, cross. So, gagawa tayo ng cross dito sa gitna nila. So, kung ano yung magka-same arrow na values, ipagmamultiply natin yan. Okay? And then, dun tayo magko-compare kung sino yung mas malaki, sino yung mas mababa, or equal ba sila. So, first, we have 5 times 5. That is 25. And then, 8 times 3. This is 24. So, meron tayong 2 values, 25 and 24. So by this, i-compare natin ano ba ang mas malaki sa 25 and sa 24. Siyempre, yung 25. So, ang ating sign is greater than. So it means 5 over 8 is larger than 3 over 5 or 5 over 8 is greater than 3 over 5. Okay? So proceed tayo sa ating next set of fractions. We have 4 over 9 and 2 over 7. So list down lang uli natin. And then, gagawa tayo ng cross sa gitna. And then, magmumultiply na tayo. So first, we have 7 times 4. This is 28. And then we have 9 times 2. This is 18. So comparing these two values na meron tayo, 28 and 18, we know that 28 is greater than 18. So by that, our answer is 4 over 9 is greater than 2 over 7. So yung sa 11 pala natin, letter B tayo dito greater than. Okay? And then sa ating, dito naman, number 12, greater than ulit tayo, letter B. Ayan, so that's it for our review for today. And I hope meron kayong natutunan.